So alright people, we have received the keys of our new permanent home in Taipei, and now the plan is we are waiting for the cab here. We will go to our temporary house, stay there for tonight, and we will start moving our luggage by tomorrow. Time is almost 8 o'clock, and I'm just walking towards 101 building. So just to see how the nightlife looks here. Shruti is out with her colleagues. Today is her office dinner party, so she's out. So I'm alone walking in the streets of Taipei. So let's go and check how the nightlife in Taipei looks. The city is already decked up and decorated for the Lunar New Year celebrations. And this is how it looks. Near the Taipei 101 mall, I am not sure what is the mall or the street name called, but it's beautifully decorated. I will walk around and see what are the eating options here for the dinner. So let's keep going. Alright people, I'm just standing below Taipei's 101 building, and this is how it looks from below. Over here it is all decked up for the Lunar New Year. Maybe over the weekend me and Shruti will come down again and walk all the way to Taiwan upstairs and to the sky deck at Taipei, and let's see how the views are from there above. But otherwise you can see the decorations here. It looks vibrant and beautiful. Alright people, today is the next morning, and we are out for some shopping. We are relocating to our new house. We need to buy some pillow and some quilt. Yeah, we are just loitering around to buy some stuffs.
We kind of started our day late because it was heavily raining here. There was an event today. A free solo climber from America, Alex, was supposed to climb Taipei 101, but the event also got pushed to tomorrow because of bad weather. So that's where we are starting our day late, but hopefully we will be able to buy things, move ourselves into the new place, and we can start living there hopefully between today and tomorrow.
So first things first, let's have a coffee at Starbucks.
No? Grande with the another one is Americano hot grande.
Costs here at $125. Medium is $140 and large is $155. Types of pillows. Look, $119. So we have types of pillows here. We are just figuring out which one to buy.
We've come to Rahe Street Night Market,
Okay.
or Rahe.
Okay. Anyways, I will mention the name. This is how it looks. The street looks beautiful, and here there is a temple. This is one of the famous temple as per my cab driver. We are not sure though, but this is the entrance of the night market. So what we are planning is to go to the temple first, and then we will head to the night street market.
So we came to this Buddhist temple. It's an interesting thing. We saw a few people, praying with these wooden blocks, and there are also some sticks. So I asked somebody what this is, and they explained that if you have a yes or no question which you want an answer from God, you use this. So technically, you need to pray and ask your question in your mind and drop this block down. Now if this block kind of falls like this, the answer is yes from the deity. If it is like this, then the answer is no from the deity. And if it is something like this, the deity is questioning you, saying it's a silly question, don't test me. So a lot of people who have confusion in their head, they come here, they just do this dropping of these blocks for 3 times, and if the answer is consistently yes, they say that this comes true. If the answer is no, it's a no. It's how you take these questions. But if you're seriously praying for something and ask, it seems it helps them, it helps the local here to get direction on their future path. Finished the temple run and we are out of the temple. Now we've reached something called Rahe street night market. So the cab driver told us that this is a very traditional, beautiful, nice market, and it has the temple at the end of the market actually, but we are starting from the end to the entry now. So let's go and explore what we have in store in this night market. I didn't try any night markets in Taipei till date because I wanted to go to the market first with Ritesh, considering I have very less veg options here. So let's go and explore. I'll also tell you what veg you can have, and while Ritesh explores his seafood and other non-veg options.
So we are just exploring the walking street, and what we see is a lot of electronic hardware stuff and a number of food stalls here. I think I have seen like some sweet potato balls and some non-veg sausages like chicken and pork, which they are preparing and frying. So we are just exploring here right now. Sitafalam.
The most smelly fruit.
ಹೌದಾ? Octopus balls.
There is fruits, then there is mushroom, then there is
Sweet potato.
fried sweet potatoes, mushroom, then donuts, crispy donuts, there were waffles. So you do get veg.
it tastes very good. We have now stopped at one of a local street shop where I have ordered oyster omelette. Initially, I wanted to try mushroom omelette, but then I didn't find it in the menu. So I'm trying oyster omelette. So let's see how the taste it would be. There was something called stinky tofu.
I don't even want to smell it. Very bad smelling.
But anyways, I will try oyster omelette. Let's see.
It's like a food street. I have food stalls in the center. People are like traveling both the sides. Wherever they like something, they stop there, they eat and then continue. Ritesh first wanted to explore the whole market before he decides what he wants to eat. But the way the crowd is, I told him he might not get anything if he doesn't eat quickly. So finally, he has settled down for a oyster omelette. I'm happy with my potato fries, so I'm sorted. But there are vegetarian options. There are a lot of corn options, fruit options. Then there is mushroom options. So you do get a lot of vegetarian option. The famous thing here is stinky tofu. The name itself didn't encourage or motivate me to buy it. So I'm not going to taste it, but here people love stinky tofus and they come to have it here.
My oyster omelette looks like this. Trying the famous oyster pork. It's very hot.
Yeah.
It is good, but it is very bland. There is no spice, no other taste, so it is bland, but it is good. The flavor is good. Mixed with the omelette, the flavor is good.
Called the Rainbow Bridge. I still don't know what is the importance of this bridge, but this area is nice. You can come sit down, people come have food. I think the younger generation do come spend some time socialize here. So this bridge is actually both a pedestrian and a cyclist path, and this is the Keelung River, if I'm not wrong. So it just connects the two areas. Keelung and Songshong area it connects. And also interestingly, we saw a love symbol here, and like the European lock bridges, we do see people have put in locks here. So probably it's the same Western thing which has been followed here. Yeah, I would say this is like a sunset viewpoint or just a socializing point for the younger generation here.
Pro's plan is to go to the Taipei 101 building and witness how Alex is going to climb 101 floors. Today it was cancelled because it was raining today. Because of safety reasons, he cancelled the event. The event is also going to be live on Netflix. Do mention us if you guys see us on Netflix live. Okay then, see you tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow. Bye.